Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I just want to give you a tour of my suite here at HoteLumière, which is the hotel attached to the Horseshoe Casino in St. Louis. But before I go in there, this is the hotel, and everything looks out onto that bottom area there. It's pretty cool. So this is room number 711. Now I booked a superior suite and I was given an executive suite. The lady liked my accent basically and upgraded me. And it's absolutely huge. I mean, it's hilarious. So you have this table thing here and sort of a wet bar here. Well, it's not the most modern suite in the world, but in terms of space, it's insane. It's a nice little decorative stuff here. TV and sitting area. It looks a comfy chair. And then you've got your first toilet here. And then you go into the bedroom. Seating area here. Into the bedroom here. Oh, it's just ridiculous for one person. It really is. And then your bathroom area in here. So dual sinks again. That's crazy. See, the bathroom looks pretty modern, to be fair. And then you've got a tub that side. And a second toilet in there. And as we're in St. Louis, you've got the St. Louis Arch. And I have a view of that. And we've just actually gone to see it. And it is absolutely massive. So look at my regular vlog if you want to see what it looks like. So we've basically just been there, and then we've been to the Budweiser factory tour as well, and had lunch there. Got a few free Budweisers. It's been a cracking afternoon actually. Bear in mind I've had literally 4 hours sleep for the last 8 days. I think we're on now. Was it 9? Whatever. I've had 4 hours sleep a day on average, but I'm coping quite well so far. But I'm sure it's going to hit me eventually. Now we're only here one night, and then we head to Biloxi tomorrow. But this is nice. I'm going to have an afternoon sleep now. So welcome to St. Louis. Speak to you soon.